Kim Jong-un, born the 8th of January 1983 or 1984, is a North Korean politician and dictator who serves as both the General Secretary of the Workers' Party of Korea and the President of the State Affairs Commission. A member of the Kim family, he is the third supreme leader of North Korea, as well as the fifth child of Kim Jong-il, his predecessor as supreme leader, and a grandson of Kim Il-sung, the founder of North Korea. The second of three children of Kim Jong-il and his mistress Ko Young-hue. Kim studied at the International School of Bern in Switzerland before attending Kim Il-sung University between 2002 and 2007. From 2009, Kim was viewed as the successor to the North Korean leadership. Following his father's death in 2011, state television announced Kim as the great successor to the revolutionary cause. He assumed various leadership posts and also became member of the Presidium of the WPK Politburo, the highest decision-making body in the country. In July 2012, Kim was promoted to the highest rank of Marshal in the Korean People's Army, consolidating his positions as Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces and Chairman of the Central Military Commission. Like his father and grandfather before him, Kim Jong-un rules North Korea, and his leadership has maintained the Kim family cult of personality. State media often refer to him as respected comrade or marshal. Kim's regime has been accused of human rights violations. He reportedly ordered the purge and execution of several North Korean officials, including his uncle, Jang Song-thaek. In 2013, he is also widely believed to have ordered the assassination of his half-brother, Kim Jong-nam, in Malaysia in 2017. Kim Jong-un's ideology departed from his father's military-first Songun policy, professing a people-first policy, and renewed commitment to communism. Kim revived the Kim Il-sung Pyongjin policy of parallel development of the country's economy and military, focusing on the country's nuclear weapons program. He has revived the structures of the WPK, expanding the party's power at the expense of the military leadership. Kim oversaw the world's most recent nuclear weapons tests and extensive missile tests, including its first intercontinental ballistic missile. These heightened tensions with South Korea, the United States, and China, culminating in the 2017-2018 North Korea crisis. In 2018 and 2019, Kim took part in summits with South Korean President Moon Jae-in and U.S. President Donald Trump, the first meetings between a North Korean and a U.S. head of state. Despite the brief thaw in relations, the negotiations ultimately broke down without progress on reunification of Korea or nuclear disarmament. He claimed success in combating the COVID-19 pandemic, with the country not reporting confirmed cases until May 2022, although independent observers questioned this claim. In December 2023, Kim declared that North Korea formally abandoned efforts to reunify Korea and symbolically demolished the Arch of Reunification. In June 2024, Kim signed a security and defense treaty with Russia while supplying Russia with materiel for the Russo-Ukrainian War. In October, North Korea sent soldiers to assist Russian units in the Kursk campaign. North Korean authorities and state-run media have stated that Kim Jong-un was born on the 8th of January 1982. South Korean intelligence officials believe that the actual date is a year later. In 1983, the U.S. government lists his birth year as 1984 based on the passport he used while studying in Switzerland. Kim Jong-un is the second of three children of Ko Young-hui and Kim Jong-il. His elder brother, Kim Jong-chul, was born on the 25th of September 1981, while his younger sister, Kim Yo-jong, is believed to have been born in 1987. He is a grandson of Kim Il-sung, who was the founder of and led North Korea from its establishment in 1948 until his death in 1994. Kim is the first leader of North Korea to have been born a North Korean citizen, his father having been born in the Soviet Union and his grandfather having been born during the Japanese colonial period. All of Kim Jong-il's children are said to have lived in Switzerland, as well as the mother of the two youngest sons, who lived in Geneva for some time. First reports said that Kim Jong-un attended the private international school of Bern in Gumlingen in Switzerland under the name Kolpak or Pakkel from 1993 to 1998. In April 2012, new documents came to light indicating that Kim Jong-un had lived in Switzerland since 1991 or 1992, earlier than previously thought. The Laboratory of Anatomic Anthropology at the University of Lyon, France, compared the picture of Kim taken at the Liebefeld-Stein-Hillsley School in 1999 with a picture of Kim Jong-un from 2012 and concluded that the faces show a conformity of 95%, suggesting that it is most likely that they are the same person. Later, it was reported that Kim Jong-un attended the Liebefeld-Stein-Hillsley State School in Knies, near Bern, under the name Pakin or Unpak from 1998 until 2000 as the son of an employee of the North Korean embassy in Bern. Authorities confirmed that a North Korean student attended the school during that period. Kim first attended a special class for foreign language children and later attended the regular classes of the 6th, 7th, 8th, and part of the final 9th year, leaving the school abruptly in the autumn of 2000. He was described as a well-integrated and ambitious student who liked to play basketball. However, his grades and attendance rating are reported to have been poor. The ambassador of North Korea in Switzerland, Riekle had a close relationship with him and acted as a mentor. One of Kim's classmates told reporters that he had told him that he was the son of the leader of North Korea. According to some reports, Kim was described by classmates as a shy child who was awkward with girls and indifferent to political issues, but who distinguished himself in sports and had a fascination with the American National Basketball Association and Michael Jordan. One friend claimed that he had been shown pictures of Kim with Kobe Bryant and Tony Kukoc. Kim was described as shy, a good student who got along well with his classmates, and was a basketball fan. He was chaperoned by an older student, thought to be his bodyguard. His elder brother Kim Jong also attended the school with him. The Washington Post reported in 2009 that Kim Jong-un's school friends recalled he spent hours doing meticulous pencil drawings of Chicago Bulls superstar Michael Jordan. He was obsessed with basketball and computer games and was a fan of Jackie Chan action movies. Most analysts agree that Kim Jong-un attended Kim Il-sung University, a leading officer training school in Pyongyang. From 2002 to 2007, 30 Kim obtained degrees, one in physics at Kim Il-sung University and another as an army officer at the Kim Il-sung Military University. In late February 2018, Reuters reported that Kim and his father had used forged passports supposedly issued by Brazil and dated the 26th of February 1996 to apply for visas in various countries. Both 10-year passports carry a stamp saying Embassy of Brazil in Prague. Kim Jong-un's passport records the name Joseph Puig and a date of birth of the 1st of February 1983. For many years, only one confirmed photograph of him was known to exist outside North Korea, apparently taken in the mid-1990s, when he was 11. Occasionally, other supposed images of him surfaced, but were often disputed. It was only in June 2010, shortly before he was given official posts and publicly introduced to the North Korean people, that more pictures were released of Kim, taken when he was attending school in Switzerland. The first official image of him as an adult was a group photograph released on the 30th of September 2010, at the end of the party conference that effectively anointed him, in which he is seated in the front row to places from his father. This was followed by newsreel footage of him attending the conference. Personal life. Kenji Fujimoto, a Japanese chef who was Kim Jong-il's personal cook, described Kim Jong-un as a chip off the old block, a spitting image of his father in terms of face, body shape, and personality. Kim is a fan of basketball, and his favorite teams include the Chicago Bulls and the Los Angeles Lakers. On the 26th of February 2013, Kim Jong-un met basketball player Dennis Rodman, which led many reporters to speculate that Rodman was the first American whom Kim had met. During Rodman's trip, Vice magazine correspondent Ryan Duffy said that Kim was socially awkward and avoided eye contact. According to Chang Seong-chang of the Sejong Institute, Kim Jong-un has greater visible interest in the welfare of his people and engages in greater interaction with them than his father did. South Koreans who saw Kim at the summit in April 2018 described him as straightforward, humorous, and attentive. After meeting him, Donald Trump said, "I learned he was a talented man. I also learned he loves his country very much." He added that Kim had a great personality and was very smart. Wealth. The International Business Times reported Kim to have 17 luxury palaces around North Korea, a fleet of 100 mostly European luxury cars, a private jet, and a 100-foot yacht. Dennis Rodman described his trip to a private island owned by Kim Jong-un. "It's like Hawaii, Ibiza, or Aruba, but he's the only one that lives there." In 2012, Business Insider reported that there were signs of a rise in luxury goods creeping out of North Korea since Kim Jong-un took over, and that his wife Ri Sol-ru was photographed holding what appeared to be an expensive Dior handbag worth almost $1,594, an average year's salary in North Korea. According to diplomatic sources, Kim Jong-un likes to drink and party all night like his father and ordered the imported sauna equipment to help him beat hangovers and fatigue. In 2018, Kim reportedly received delivery of two armored Mercedes Maybach S600s, each valued at $500,000, through an illicit shipping network in violation of international sanctions. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.